We're making Rice Krispie treats, and they're special because it's the limited time.
Limited edition, red, white, and blue, 4th of July edition Rice Krispie treats. So, what's the first step?
Well, the first step is to put the butter in and the marshmallows.
Which, I forgot to tell her how much butter it is because I put it in the pot already. It's 3 tablespoons of butter. And then it's a 10-ounce package of marshmallows. You put the whole package in. So, you first put all that into the saucepan. We got a bigger saucepan. You can use a small one. It just, when you add the Rice Krispies, it just overflows. You could rip the whole bigger.
I know.
Yeah.
That way you don't lose marshmallows. Teaching her how to cook.
Oh, and I'm here too.
It's going so well.
I have a little helper.
Yes, Troy is helping her with this as well. Sorry, I just got done making dinner. I still have to clean up the mess from dinner, so there's a little bit of a mess on the stove. Sorry. We're making our dessert to go with dinner. After we made dinner and ate it.
Empty.
Now, you would put this on what heat on them?
Low.
And you continuously stir it so it doesn't burn. And you gotta melt the butter and the marshmallows. So do you know how to turn on the stove?
To the left.
Yes, you gotta go to
Backward.
light.
I think that one.
The front.
This one. To all the way here.
No. That turns it on and then it's on low after it's done. Teaching her how to cook. Now you want to stir this pretty continuously because you don't want it to burn. I'm going to up it up a little bit from where we have it because we have it on the lowest setting it could be, and that could take us a while. We'll come back when this all melts and we'll show you the next steps. So it is all melted now, all looking like marshmallow fluff. So now we put in how many cups of Rice Krispies on them?
6 cups.
6 cups. Troy's going to dump the first cup in. Actually, turn off the heat.
No. That way.
There we go. The heat's off now. And first cup in. And then we got
So 6 cups.
so 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Of the special edition, don't forget.
Yeah.
It's red, white, and blue. Kind of like we did with our hair today.
Yeah.
We want red, white, and blue as well.
Yeah. But after this day, people probably won't.
So how many cups is that?
3 cups.
So how many do we have to do?
So
6 cups. So 3 more cups.
I think
I did math.
You can teach while you cook.
I thought that was
2 more cups.
just 2.
I'm gonna have to put a little bit
One more
extra
cup.
in there because I'm not filling it all. And I'm gonna add a
We're
little
done.
extra because we weren't fully filling a few of those, so we're gonna just add a couple extra just because.
Do we
Now
stir
you
with
have to
this now?
stir that all up and get it all coated in marshmallow.
Yummy, yum, yum.
And then we gotta put that into the glass pan that is going to be pre-greased with some Pam cooking spray. We'll come back when we get that going so you can see that step. Now we gotta put it into our pre-greased cooking pan. I don't know about you, but I love Rice Krispie treats. Love them. They are always yummy. I like homemade ones better than store-bought though. Any day. Now there's a little trick to get these to smash out and be flattened. Because if you use the spoon or your hand, it's going to stick to you. You use wax paper. It doesn't stick to the wax paper. So I'm going to go get the wax paper and show them what to do. Now time to make the crispy treats. Still sticks a little bit to the wax paper, but not near as bad as your hand would be. Not near as bad as your hand would be. And a child that wants to announce everything. Okay, and that's our beautiful Rice Krispie treats.